Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox this box. This is Fab Bag for the month of July. So let's just open it and see what I got in this month's bag. Alright, so this is what I got, a bag, and there's a product outside the bag as well. So first I'll see what it is. This is Fem Anti-Darkening Hair Removal Cream for all skin types. Oh, wow, this can be like a lifesaver if I'm in emergency. I'm not like a person who uses hair removal cream so often, but this can be used in an emergency. So first thing is this. So let's check out the bag. So this is how the July bag looks like. It's like a kind of like a purplish, maroonish, burgundyish color. I don't know, I think it's like more of a purplish color. Yes, and this is how it looks like. So let's just open and see what I got inside this bag. First, I'm gonna take out the info card. Theme is the Gotcha cover July Fab Bag. So all the information about the products is here in this card. So I'm just gonna check out the products. Alright, so the very first product I see is okay, the first one was this Fem Anti-Darkening Hair Removal Cream. And the second product, okay, let me just tell you the price of this product. This retails for 58 Indian rupees. So yeah, and the amount of product I'm getting here is, it's 25 grams of the product, and 5 grams is the Go Gel Serum along with it. Okay, so the next thing I got is APS Cosmeto Food Whitening and Brightening the Skin Diet. It's for all skin types. Alright, this sounds interesting. Oh, it's like a facial kit. Oh wow, I will definitely try this out. This is it has a pre-cleansing step, then cleansing, deep cleansing, nourishment mask, eye mask and serum. Wow, this sounds really interesting, and it seems really interesting, and I'm really interested in trying this out. This retails for 250 Indian rupees. So yeah, super excited about this facial kit. Alright, let's just check out other products. So the next product I see is a face wash. This is by Ozori. This is paraben free, cruelty free, and it has volcanic minerals with vitamin E. And the amount of product I'm getting here is 100 ml of product, and this retails for 99 Indian rupees. This is going to my bathroom straight because my face wash is almost done. I'm done with my face wash, so I'm just gonna try this one. Yeah, so let's check out the other product. Alright, so the next thing I see is a hair serum, and this is by Aryan Ved Hair Serum, vitalized with walnut oil, a hair polishing and smoothing serum for soft and silky hair. The amount of product I'm getting here is 45 ml, and this one retails for 90 rupees, and this is a full size product. Alright, that's that. Let's move on to other products. Okay, then I see, okay, this is like a nose strip. It is Hip Hop Skincare Cleansing Charcoal Nose Strip. It's like a sample size, a sample product, and yeah, it is just like a one strip, and yeah, it's written that it's not for sale. It is a sample product, but this one nose strip retails for rupees 30. Alright, I am just left with one last product, and I know what it is because they asked us to choose a shade. This is a lipstick basically, and this is by My Glam. I know I have been seeing ads of My Glam on mobile apps or online on YouTube videos a lot. So I haven't tried any of their products, so this is like the first product I'll be trying from My Glam. Let me know if you want a review about it, like a wear test of this thing. I can do it. If you are interested, let me know. So this is My Glam Perfect Curves 2-in-1 matte lipstick, and I chose like a brighter shade in this because yeah, I was just feeling that I should try the brighter one. So this is like a really nice berry color, like more of like a burgundy color. Okay, so this is called Cosmopolitan, and this is a 2-in-1 matte lipstick and lip liner, and yeah, it's like a big lip crayon or like a big jumbo stick, and this is how, and it's like a twist up jumbo stick. Let me just give you a really nice swatch of this one. It's like a cool toned pinkish berry color. Like this is how it looks like. I don't know whether the camera is catching the exact shade or not, but yeah, this is how it looks like. So let me know if you're interested in the review of this My Glam lipstick, and this is and this retails for 795 Indian rupees, and again this is like a full size product, and this one is formulated in Italy. Well, I thought it to be like more of purplish berry color, but it is more of like a maroonish berry color. So I chose accordingly because I was thinking it to be more on the purplish side. But anyways, yeah, that's it for the July Fab Bag, and I am, out of all the stuff, I'm very excited about the facial kit definitely, and yeah, I think I'm most excited about this one only, not the lipstick, not the face wash, not the hair serum. Yeah. So yeah, that was it for July's Fab Bag, and all the information about the bag will be in the description box. Go and check it out, and if you're interested, go and subscribe it for yourself. And if you're new to my channel, then please do hit the subscribe button, help me grow. And if you're wondering how I did this makeup, then stay tuned. The makeup look of this makeup will be coming soon. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye.